Let me actually show you what we made these couple of days. So let me actually refresh. Starting by it's the command center. From the AI here you can see how many agents are running, how many things are doing, and so that. And we have this tab, which I think is pretty cool. And actually you can see the, let's say, bots, actually what they are doing. And if you open this, it should not redirect you here, it should redirect you inside the actual workspace where you talk to the actual agent apparently, but it's bugged. We have this tab, which is the central bot, let's say that he is the one actually doing everything. We have yes, these ones. So what I want to do is I wanna actually give him that. If I press on open file, it directs me to this pop up. But it should direct me to the AI agent's conversation with that specific bot conversation. At this point it doesn't do that. I meant here for each individual one. Okay, so he will do that. Okay, and I will do. What the hell? Okay. When I press on open BooVAi, this is here inside the command center. When pressing on it opens the bot, which is good, but it doesn't open it correctly. It redirects me here, which is correctly, but as you can see, I don't know, for whatever reason it breaks the design. I understand that, but you see the little things that he is doing. I want them to be the first one only visible, and then the rest of them in kind of pop-up, and if I want to, I should be able to see that. But the design should not change, so yeah, please look into that problem. As you can see, we have 91 limit left, which is actually not very good, but I think we can manage for fish. What the hell is this? They converse. Okay, but that is also not right. What the hell? Okay. Okay. See how not for all of them. Okay, so that is quite not correctly. Open file. It opens me this file, which is correctly but not quite right. Okay. Give it conversation. Actually no, for each one, when you press on open file, I want you to make some kind of pop-up, but a beautiful one, explaining what that bot does actually and how you can trigger it and what it manages. But make a beautiful pop-up. For each individual one, and it should redirect me to the and that tab by opening pop-up for that specific bot. And also will give you some okay, let me actually see what he will give to me. Okay, BooVAi. Why do I have for some of them just ask BooVAi? See, it will be design, which is kinda not on my likings, if you ask me. But let me actually go and see. Ask BooVAi. Okay, so it's actually okay. So let me actually see what he will do. But first, bro, I don't really understand why for some of them there is this and for some of them Fisher. But you see there is not open file. It's the file problem. But problems. Okay, we will do that after he finishes. Okay. This is activity. Open now. When pressing on open, it should redirect me to them. That specific job pop-up in this case. When pressing and grab a boot from the command tab, what exactly is wrong about how the chat opens? That's below the fold types. It's not about how it opens like wrong. It opens to the correct page, but as you can see the design, I don't know for whatever reason, but it gets like broken, and yeah, that's what I explained to you about the pop-up. So the design should remain the same, just all the texts should be only the first one visible, and the rest of them, when pressing them, they should open in a pop-up. No, bro, what the hell? You see what I mean? Like, for whatever reason, it gets broken. Come on, bro. How? I have not answered the question. Are you seriously? My god, bro, what the hell is wrong with him? In this case, this one. You see, and now it's broken. What the hell? It should stay the same, bro. That's what I wanted to explain. Like, it should stay the same if it's running a task, bro. Just, bro, I told you. You understand what I mean? No, it's kind of hard to explain to what exactly you need to do. Jobs. There's... So yeah. Push to show BooVAi. Okay. understand that it needs a pull, but let me actually first finish the whole section. Concealer. Okay, this is also jobs, I think. So pretty much it, yeah. But I don't really like. These are just recommendations and decisions. But what is jobs? This is okay. Let me actually wait for him to finish, and then we can see what he actually made here. What is this? Okay, poly. Okay, I understand, but I should also, what I want here to do is that I want to also add a kind of, okay, but we will do that in a moment. For now, let me actually push, because this task is just running right now, and he's just gathering data right now, and yeah. So let me actually see if it's initializing. Okay. So I really don't understand these ones. Why are those different? That's the whole point. Yeah, so you see, for the ones that needs a decision, it should redirect me to the decision tab, which is this one. Okay. And if it opens problems, okay, I don't care. Okay, have a BooVAi. What the hell? Okay, so he's doing that right now. This is building. So actually, yeah, we need the ones. It should be open file for all of them. Ask the bot what is happening with the actual bot. Give a conversation. It should direct me to that one, which is free. And for these ones, okay. And for these ones, it's also difficult. And it opens. Yeah, it doesn't open, but it's not here. Here it should show open there. Okay. I kinda understand what he is doing. Let me actually also do this one. Come on, bro. Okay, but why did the other one did not came from? Okay, it's building apparently. Okay, let's see what he made actually. Verificant goldfish. Okay, verificant. Okay, this is the fish. Open file. Okay, I like it, but okay, in the AI workforce, what I want you to do is, I want for every bot, no matter its status, to put the open file, the first one, with a yellow line. I press on open file, what does it do? Okay, it redirects me here, which is good. And it redirects me to this pop-up, which is correctly, but as you can see the pop-up is not centered and it's kinda broken, so also please that fix it. Okay. Now, okay, for the open file we have C ask Boov, but why for whatever it's still broken? You did not understand me, bro. It's still broken. Like, look at the design. You see how the numbers are restrained and everything is small. It should stay the same, bro. What the hell? Look what happens if I press on ask Boov for a specific bot. Okay, and let me refresh actually. And look what happens if I press it normally. It should like show me the same, just actually working and telling me that is working with a specific bot. Not book, bot. Okay, let's go further. Okay, that is still not fixed. Give conversation. Still redirecting me here for whatever reason. And the second one. Button also yellow, and for the problems status should be also the second one, but red, and also very because at the moment we don't have it. Okay, then let's see. Ask Boov. Then the third one ask Boov, and then the last one give conversation. So please do that right now. Okay, basically I explained to him that give conversation, but why when I press on give conversation? Okay, that is also not right, but let it actually give the right order for them, and then we can do that. Okay, let me actually commit and see what happens. Okay, let me actually see if this was pushed. Okay, let me actually refresh to see the changes. Okay, it's building. Okay, that is really good, but when I press on open, it's still for whatever reason. Okay, so I think that it's a problem that needs fixing right now. Mounts on the thing itself. Okay. No, it doesn't. It still redirects me to that specific tab for whatever reason. Okay. Not the actual job itself. Okay, open. Yep, still wrong. Which is here. Okay. Okay, wait guys, I'm gonna be back in just 1 minute. Give me a moment please, I need to take a water break. Okay, so we are back. Actually, he finished apparently. Let's push. Okay. Okay, why did my... Let's see what he will do. He will need to do this. Make these ones. Okay, the recommendations. Okay. Here when pressing on these ones on the red button, verify it should redirect me to that specific job. Or recommendation in this case. So on this one, but for that specific one should be readied out like, I don't know, let's make it, how can I say, red border across the card, like on the margins, being more specific. Okay, so we did build that, but see on BooVAi, what does he mean by that? Nothing happens. Okay, but what we can do is okay, and also when we will press on, but he's not doing it, so I don't think it's a good idea to actually get him to do the same thing. Okay, speak with BooVAi. What happens? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I am sorry. Okay, that is actually good. That is actually really good. But okay, when I press add fonts, okay, it's good, but it's not actually quite right because we don't have an actual add fonts page. We'll do that, but not right now. For now, let's see if he finished. Yes, he finished, but let me check. Open file. Okay, but it's still not right, bro. What the hell? How can you say you fixed the pop-up if you didn't? Look, it's still broken. Oh my god, bro, you see that? Okay, open file. What happens on the bro? What the hell? On verify. So actually it's not right. But what happens if I press on verify? What the hell, bro? It's not right at all. But okay, it's good that he made it. Open file, it verify, ask BooVAi. Okay, it's kind of, it's back but not quite. Okay, but I don't think it's still the same one. I think it's more to the sides, or am I not right? Ask BooVAi. Yeah, it's still not giving me the animation I want. Yep, it's still a little bit different when I press on ask Boof. Okay, still look, when I press on ask Boof, it's still not quite there. It doesn't give me the proper animation for when I open the actual Boof page, so that needs fixing. And I think the texts need to be a little more on the sides, like it's not the same as when I open just the chat. Okay, like look, it's not the same, it's a little bit different. Okay, but give conversation, nope, not right. Open file, problems, share or this cheese, yeah. When pressing here on the ones, the bots that need verifying, and if I press on verify, it redirects me to some kind of section that that bot is doing actually, but that's not quite right. Oh my god, bro. It redirects me here, but it should instead redirect me to that specific one. In this case here. Okay, in this case here, but is this a job or is this a decision? Okay. Here. And that specific one should be read out with a border or something. Okay. Give conversation. Ask Booth. Okay. Open file. Problems. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Okay, but for these ones. Why is he giving me that? No, I didn't want that. Nope. Okay, but actually that's correctly, but basically what I wanted. Okay, we'll specify by the brief. Building. I wonder what does the blue screen actually show when it lands. Ask Booth. Okay. It's actually thinking, but if you can see the design, it's not quite the same as if I just would open the page itself by myself, not actually pressing on the ask button from the command center. So please look into that, so the design still stays the same. It's just kind of thinking, and it actually triggers the actual question I have pressed on. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, I can verify in the browser. Okay, the browser. Okay, so let's actually wait for him to finish, because I want to verify everything in one go. Okay, what about these ones? No, still the same. What the hell? I really don't understand why it's still the same, even though it's for sure ready. Okay, maybe it's now. Nope, still the same. Okay, this is finished. Let me. Okay, everything is on, everything is connected. Let's actually wait to get. Maybe it was fixed in this one and not in that one. Okay. The deployment is going. Okay, we need to fix this. Also this one not quite right. In here when pressing on the oh my god. Open score but not quite. I press on open, the pop-up is kinda ugly. Make it more beautifully and also a little bit bigger. Okay, and it should redirect me to that specific page, like it should redirect me to it, which is actually good. It should say instead of both should redirect me to the chat with that specific bot instead, and on the third one instead of view expert. Oh my god. Specific job. Oh my god. From this section, bro. What is so hard to understand? Okay, he's ready. Okay, let's see command. This. Okay, apparently it's verified. He has some sort of border, but it's not quite visible. We need to make it even more pronounced. Okay, now if I press on verify, it redirects me where it needs to redirect me, which is correct, but the border it's not quite visible, so I don't understand which task is he talking about, so make it even more brighter so it's more pronounced and visible. Okay, see in both. Okay. Okay, this is quite right. Okay, let's see. Open file. Okay, finally. He did it right. And does it open the fleet? Let's see. Okay. No, not quite. As you can see, if I press on open file, as you can see we have a bug here. If I press on open file, it redirects me to the pop-up, which is correct. Manager. But it doesn't redirect me to that specific bot, it just opens the first one from the top. But I want it to redirect me to that specific chat bot. Okay, and in this case, manager click. Manager. So please do that. But why wait actually? You see, not quite there. Okay, we will need to change a bit the names because it's not Okay. What I want you to do now is to sync in the same bots with the same names. So like from the command center it should have the same bot's name as the ones from the and also diversificate more the names, because these ones are very generic. It just tells me maintenance and that and that and that, which is kind of basic, so please do that, but make them in English actually, and do that just for the names. Don't actually translate our parts, our under parts. Okay, so we are good to go with that, I think. Okay, so that is done. If I press on verify, what happens? It redirects me to that one. I think so, yeah. Bro, it's so much. I don't like this. Ask bro, I'm so tired of this. Ask Boo. What? Okay. It's okay, it's correctly, but open conversation. No, still here. Okay. When I press on give conversation, it should redirect me to that specific bot conversation, not to the one, because we have already redirect to move, which is ask move. So please move that. Okay, open. No, I think we okay. But okay, what I wanna do actually, but do we have the titles role? But bro, I told you to put them in English, not in Romanian, bro. Okay, maybe he did it and I'm not correct. We hope that. Okay, let's see. Okay, and my question is how much do we have left in the tank? We have a lot of fuel left in the tank, but not for the weekly, which is quite bad if you ask me. That is quick, bro. What? Bro! Wait, let me close the door actually. I'm sorry, that was my cousin. She's so annoying sometimes. Anyway, we can do that if you ask me. Okay. Okay. Workspace. What is workspace? Okay. But it's not a workspace, it's conversation. But anyway. Okay, that is ready. I don't know what he made, but let him finish building also that one, and we should be good to go. The recommendations tab, I don't really like it. It's okay. We can say it's okay. The jobs page, no, don't quite like it. We will change it. I don't say it's bad, but I don't say it's good. You feel me? This one, the knowledge tab, is good, but portfolio no. Okay, but the costs is not quite right. Okay, but we don't have an actual add tab. For the costs tab, we don't have an actual add funds. So what I want you to do is put an add fund button, and for that it will redirect me to some kind of pop-up in which I will select if on which account do I want to add more tokens. So we have Gemini, Claude, GBT, all that. And it should give me some sort of like redirection to the payout to add more tokens. So yeah, please do that. And also for the next time I wanna pop up, I should also have some sort of reminders or auto top up, auto pop up, and yeah, please think of all that scheme. And accounts I did in fact top up should be also intact and remaining here if I would want to add on the same account. So yeah, think of something beautiful. So yeah, the manual page and the settings are not correctly at all. So basically what he did, I don't understand at all what he made, but basically what we wanna do is we need to remove these pages. This we can completely remove it. The security we can like leave it, but yeah, the contact we can leave. The notifications, what is in here that we actually need, we can remove it, I think so. Yeah, we can definitely remove it. Okay, but we will do that when he will finish actually up with everything. Genomidas Vulcan, what the hell is this? Athena, agent CEO, bro, what he made, bro? I'm actually very curious to understand what he made. Okay, let's take it step by step. Atlas, okay, now it's visible. There is a move. Okay, that is done. Okay, let's see. Change the names, but that was not my point. But anyways, open file. It opens the file with Atlas. Okay. Tina. Open file. Tina. Still not fixed. What is really? I'm really curious to understand. What is so hard to understand? Just we still have a mistake that our sessions or you did not fix. So if for example I press on Juno, yeah, let's say I press on Juno and I say open file. Juno, bruh. Juno. open file, I press on the open file button, it redirects me to the pop-up, which is the right one. But it stays on the first bot, not to the one that I pressed on. Which is this one, not. But I don't really like this, we'll fix it. This one. Do you understand what I mean, bro? Fix it already. Do you understand what? Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so yep, I'm sorry. Verify. Okay. Verify problems. What is the problems here? What the hell, bro? No, 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 not at all. Bro, I'm seriously gonna fucking remove this shit. I can't, bro. Yep, not correctly. Okay, ask BooVAi. Okay. Give conversation. Bro, what? Why? Explain to me why. Bro, I'm so tired of this thing. I can't go with him. What the hell? It's so freaking hard to understand, bro. Bro, I think we have talked 30,000 times. In here, if I press on the fucking button, it should not redirect me to the BooVAi page. Redirect me to that specific bot chat inside that tab. What is so hard to understand? It's as simple task. Is that really hard to redirect me here? To redirect, not reject, bro. Redirect. Bro, nah, bro. This is so annoying. Oh my god. Open, okay, best course. I can't, bro, I can't. Kill me, bro, kill me. Oh my god. think we have talked 30,000 times. I press on open, it tells me speak with that specific agent, but it still redirects me to Boo. Like that specific one. Which is here, or for whatever bot I pressed. Please, okay. See recommendation. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, so that's the hard truth of owning agents. Not that easy how people describe it. Costs. What did he made me? Oh my god, bro. Oh, I don't really understand what he made me here, but anyways. In the costs tab, previously we talked about some modifications. This is what you gave me. Are you serious? Okay, so let's see. He will come for but I am really trying to understand what he made me. One thing that I don't really understand is how is YouTube actually giving out people, because now I'm watching a guy that is doing 3 lives. He has 5k on YouTube and he has currently 7 people watching, and we don't have anyone watching, and yeah, I am really curious of how is he doing that. Anyways. Not bro, I meant where is the add button that we talked about and the functions and what the hell? What the actual hell did he make? I don't really understand what he made me here. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I am really tired of this thing. Like, bro. He's making something when he's not. He says it's incomplete, okay, we'll see. Bro, if he did not fix it, I am seriously gonna argue with him. And it's not all the bots. Are you serious? There are not all the bots. Where are them? Iris, Sibyl, serious. Yeah, it's not all them. Oh my god, bro. I cannot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are all of them? I don't know. Can you tell me why there aren't all the 13 bots here and only 8 in the AI workforce? Okay, ready. Open file. Okay. I don't think he made it, seriously. No way, Yuppie, he made it. I'm so happy. Verify. Okay. Ask proof. Give converse. No way he made it business. My god, finally. Verify. He's still not good, but you know. last thing. If I press here on verify, for when opening and selecting verify, it should redirect me to that specific bot. Inside with its conversation and actually trigger that problem, so he explains to me what is that problem. Okay, actually he made it. Open channel filter. Okay. Speak with Atlas. Okay. See recommendation. Okay. Let's see. Why the... I can't, bro. I can't. Execution. For different tasks, it shows me different things, but there should be this structure for all of them. The first one should be the opening that specific tab that he's working with. So for example, if he's working with the cars, it should open the second one should be open that he speaks with that specific bot. And the third one is the actual task. If it's a recommendation, it should open that specific recommendation. If it's something like this, like jobs, it should open that specific job, not anything else. And the fourth one, let's put the tutorial, and it should open the pop-up of what that specific bot does. Oh my god. Costs. Wompily wompily womp, finally. I want to remove this. Oh, okay, not remove it, but place it. Right. But it's not like that though. No hair, no hair no more. No hair no more. Bro, I can't do this. That shit is not right now. Okay, it's something like okay, it is something actually. It's not correctly, but it is something. So basically, yeah. In here in this tab, I don't understand why it is different from the ones that you see here we have open profile, but in there we have another thing, and when it opens the chat, in here is workforce, so that is not quite right. So what I want you to do is do the same statuses and thing that you did in the comment and put it here also. So please do that. Okay. Okay. Please finish up, please. No, why? Okay, let's see. Okay. If you guys have any suggestions on what we can actually build in the future, don't forget to leave a comment and we will definitely check them. Let me actually check other any comments. Hi there, every time I watch, no people are watching, even though the content is quite good. Thanks, that's KidGuy1. It really means a lot for me actually that somebody is watching, because it keeps me going, you know, and actually keeps me coming back and seeing how people are reacting to the live we are doing. Thanks, I know there are no people watching, but you know, in the future I hope and I have the trust that people will come and actually appreciate what we are doing here. Okay, so did he finish? No, he did not. You see, it's quite a lot of work to actually do all these kind of stuffs. It's not easy, and it's definitely not something all people can do. I'm sorry. Yes. What? Yes. Oh, bye. Okay, so I think this was done. Oh my god. Okay, you know what actually? No, wait a bit, guys. Okay, actually I think better it doesn't look good, so we will remove them, but actually let me see one thing. Verify. No, 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 he did not steal. Open. Bro, I am tired of this thing. Please, let me open file. Okay, this works. Sibyl. Okay, open file, this works. What the hell, bro? I'm so tired of this. Ask Boo. Sibyl. Okay. No, I can't. Give conversation. Sibyl. Okay. What is so hard, bro, to understand? I press on verify. Like that. Button. And it still redirects me to the section he is working with, which is not correctly. But I can. When he needs to redirect me to the actual chatbot. I don't understand why he does. And inside the chatbot he should input the question he has the problem with. Okay, hopefully he will do that. Okay, that is done. Speak with Atlas. Okay. See recommendation. Okay. And tutorial. Not tutorial. When opening up the tutorial. From this page, why it redirects me here? It should redirect me to the pop-up that we already made, but just show me the pop-up here, not the actual chat. And I meant this one. Yeah, it's a lot. It is really a lot. What the hell? Anyway, it redirects me to something, that is good. We will configure them later, the bots and everything. Anyways. Okay guys, thanks for watching.